Here's Kees Volmer from the Netherlands. I've got to present you the Finding Apps app, and it's called Petal Search. Here we've got a brand new 9X Pro. Nice. You go to the app gallery, it's over here. You go to the search button, Petal Search, here it is. It's on the top already. Install it, you see. When installed, just click open. Here we've got some license things and just click next. Here got the location, permission. And now we've got 1,000 or 1,000,000 apps you can find. Instagram, for instance, in the web, you can find it here. Look, Facebook is also there. And from there you can install it. You can see Instagram is here from APK, Pure, Twitter, you can install. Go to the APK Pure. From there you can install any app. You can find anything you want. Now we've got a tip from a widget to add in. Squeeze, and then go to the widgets, and go to the Petal widgets. Let's see if I can find it. Petal Search, here it is. And put it in there. Now when you click on it, it's open directly your search. I recommended the Petal Search. You can install it and click on the links below. Thanks.